Go.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Dili na lang ah. 1, 2, 3, go. Ikaw eh.
1, 2, 3, go.
Yay! Hello class, how are you? I hope you are doing well. So, for today's video, we are going to continue our discussion about distributing station. Let's begin with its addresses, inputs, and outputs addresses. Okay, here let's begin with the outputs. So, Q0.0 is the address for ejecting cylinder pushes out workpiece. This one is located here. This is a cylinder and its initial position is cylinder extended, and this is controlled by a single solenoid valve. And next we have Q0.1 vacuum on and Q0.2 blower on. This is where it's located. So naana siya suction cup. Let's continue with Q0.3 and Q0.4. Always remember that this area right here where there is a stacking of workpiece, this is the magazine station, and this one right here is the subsequent station. So Q0.3, which is swivel drive to magazine, that means that this swivel drive is from subsequent to magazine station. And Q0.4, which is swivel drive to subsequent station, that means that this swivel drive is from magazine station to subsequent station. And the rest of the outputs, which are Q1.0, Q1.1, and Q1.2, is the indicator light for start push button, reset push button, and then the magazine empty indicator light. Let's now proceed to inputs addresses of distribution station. I0.1 is for ejecting cylinder extended, and I0.2 is for ejecting cylinder retracted. The closer look for that one is this. We have two sensors that is connected with the cylinder, I0.2 and I0.1. I0.1 will activate when the cylinder is extended, and I0.2 will activate when the cylinder is retracted. I0.3, which is workpiece picked up, it is located here. This is a vacuum switch that when this suction cup vacuums something, especially the workpiece, this sensor will activate. I0.3 will activate. Next one is I0.4 and I0.5. The closer look for that is this one. We have two limit switches here. This is for I0.4, which means that the swivel drive is in position magazine, and I0.5, which is the swivel drive is in subsequent station. Kung imong mapansin dinhi, kini si swivel drive naa siya dani dapit. This one right here is katong na-stacking of workpiece. So, muni ang magazine station. So, kung si swivel drive naa sa magazine station, maigo si I0.4. Pero kung si swivel drive moadto sa subsequent station, kini ang maigo, ma-activate din si I0.5. Take a look at this one again. Kini siya naa si swivel drive sa magazine station. That means nga ang naigo nga sensor ani nga time, which is danhi siya, mo ni si I0.4. Pero kung kini si swivel drive naa danhi sa subsequent station, ang naigo nga switch is kining danhi. That means na-activate si I0.5. I0.6, which is sensor workpiece in magazine. Here is the closer look for it. This is a retroreflective sensor. It has a reflector right here, but you cannot see because of its angle. But this sensor is tricky among the rest of the sensors because the other sensors ay hara ma-activate kung naay nakatouch sa mga sensors or naigo ang switch, kung limit switch, kung push button, kung gituplok nimo ang push button. But this one, it is already activated. Since kini sila duha naa na sila connection, kung imong i-cut ilong connection, mapalong siya. So, kung gusto nimo siya gamiton sa imong pag-program, magbutang kini ay 0.6 sa normally close contact. Okay, opposite siya sa uban. Unlike sa uban sensors, for example, ay 0.3, which is the vacuum, kung mag-program ka sa iya ha, normally open siya. Kaya kung ma-activate siya, ay siya ma-close. Kini siya kay since activated man siya, i-close na siya daan. Okay, let's proceed to the rest of the inputs. I0.7, subsequent station occupied, we are not going to use this one. It is right here. This is the reason why the two of the stations are connected. I1.0 is for start button and I1.1 stop button. I1.2 for automatic manual switch. I1.3 is for reset button and I1.5 for emergency stop signal.